We're just gonna cruise around real quick. I'm gonna probably just pitch around this little thing real fast and see if I could pick one up. Y'all saw that shit? At least it's over there where I could get it. Man, what kind of shit is that?
Well, hook 'em in the mouth kayak fishing. I'm your hook master, Charles Cramer, and we got a lot of hookups for you today. So let me go ahead and get into it. No longer talking, just straight hookups. Remember, when you're out there, don't snag 'em, hook 'em in the mouth. So let's go, let's get it, and let's make it happen.
Hook 'em in the mouth, this your boy, Charles Cramer, letting you know. My lens is dirty than a mug. Hold on. Hook 'em in the mouth, this your boy, Charles Cramer, letting you know. I'm about to hook 'em in the mouth. And as y'all can see, I'm blowing around in a roundabout. I'm out here, I'm about to make it happen. All right, we're gonna hit up on some bass, all right? So that's the plan and that's what we're gonna do. So until I get a hookup, let's go, let's get it, and let's make it happen. You know what I do when I get out here? I don't snag them, I hook them in the mouth. So holla at your boy. Yeah. What the hell? Hold on. I just trolling. What's going on over here? Oh! Y'all seen it! Hook him in the mouth. Your boy wouldn't even do it. I had something in the water. What is it? Oh, shoot. About 3 of, oh, I don't know if y'all can see that. There was about 4 bass, 3 or 4 bass following his ass. Your boy, oh, your boy didn't snag him. You know what he did. Oh, oh, he's a jumper, y'all. Get on up here. We know he ain't big, but we sure enough hooked him in the mouth with this roundabout. Oh, all up in the nose cavity too, right? Let me get that up out you. There we go. We got us a nice little bass here, and I hooked him in that mouth. Holla at your boy. He ain't but probably like maybe a pound, but I let him go on up in there. You see it, your boy's on the roundabout, the Minn Kota. I got the Pissy Fun Destroyer going right here. And I got it on the shed I got going right here. And I hooked him in the mouth. You know what I do. Come on now. I wasn't even trying. I just had him out there floating, you know, while I was talking to y'all. You know how I talk some mess. And I end up hooking one. But that's what your boy does. So until I get another hookup, holla at your boy. We just gonna cruise around real quick. I'm gonna probably just pitch around this little thing real fast and see if I can pick one up. Y'all saw that shit? At least it's over there where I could get it. Man, what kind of shit is that? That's some cheap ass line right there. That was a bad spot. Well, until I hook my stuff up right, holla at your boy so I can get a hookup. Damn, what happened? It's right there. Y'all remember that so I can go back and get that mug. That's like $2 or something. I know I'm being cheap, but do y'all blame me? That shit cost. Try this again, see if we can get some hookups over here. We should be able to get something. There's a lot of hydrilla in here. It's really clear. Baby dad. You can really see that shad in there. There's no bluegill falling. Hook him in the mouth. We got a hook up out this mud. It's a bass. He ain't that big. Oh, he jumped off. It's all good. He was right here. And I hooked him in the mouth for a split second. Holla at your boy. Hook him in the mouth, we got a hook up. If I don't lose this mug on that Berkeley. Where you at, homie? Oh, you jumping. Little guy, you jumping, little guy? Oh, you jumping, little guy? Get your little ass up in the boat now. You know what we do now. You official member of Hook 'em in the Mouth, dog. Yeah. You official now, homeboy. Now you can live a good life. You're gonna turn big. Y'all see him. I hooked him in that little mouth. I would get the realistic scale out, but do we really need to? Holla at your boy. Peace. We catching little guys and we hooking them in the mouth, cause that's what we do. Holla at your boy. Hook him in the mouth, we gotta hook up. He's fighting too. Oh, he's a little bit bigger than what we've been catching. Stay down. Y'all see the roundabout. Y'all see it. We standing up. He splashed. Get your butt up here. Dang, you choked. Oh, he choked right out though. It's all good, homie. Hold on. Hold on. Hold on. Oh, we still rolling. Y'all see him? We got another one. And I hooked him in that mouth. Holla at your boy. Well, all I've been doing is just going back and forth with this goat paddle tail. What is that? Power bait. Shout out to TJ Woodworking Shop. Your shit's still coming through. But that's what I've been catching these little bass on. Nothing big, but a lot of fun. And this is what I do, is to relax. So it's a lot of fun to me, and I'm having fun, and that's what it is. It is what it is, you know. Have fun, be safe, and hook them in the mouth. That's what we do, all right. So until I get another bass hook up in on this mug, holla at your boy. Peace. Hook him in the mouth. We gotta hook up. Oh, he's jumping. He's a nice one too. Oh, he's a nice one. Stay on there. Stay on there. Stay on there. He's trying to come up on me. But you know what your boy does. We hook him in the mouth. Get your big ass up in here. We got him good too. He's working out for us today. He's a nice little, I guess maybe 2 pounds, and we hooked him in that mouth. Let's see here. Let's get the realistic scale out and see what happened. Let's see what happened with the realistic scale. See how many pounds he is. I'm gonna say 1.5 pounds, maybe 2 pounds, maybe. It ain't no canal bass, but you know what? His ass is fun. Maybe 2 pounds. He's 1.76, so 1 3/4. He's almost 2 pounder. Y'all know what I did. I hooked him in that big mouth. Holla at your boy. He's out of here. He was just stunned for a second. Cause you know I hooked him in the mouth. He couldn't handle it. He got stunned. Alright. I'm using this INSHORE saltwater gel. This Pro Cure I've had inside my garage for about 1.5 years, 2 years. Strong. And it's still working. So and that one I was just trolling along, you know. I wasn't really even doing nothing because I got to change the battery out and it's bad, some of them. So I'm gonna do the same thing, throw him back out there and troll him back on out. We was at a little constant speed of 1 like we are now, and we hooked something in the mouth. So until I get another hook up, you know what I do. I hook them in the mouth in a round boat, a kayak, on the land, or in a big boat. You know what happens. We hook them in the mouth, man. So holla at your boy. Till the next hook up. Oh, we got a hook up. Let's pet it. Oh, nice jump, guy. Nice jump. Get your ass up in here. Oh, get your ass up in here. I got your ass. I got your ass. Y'all's little asses was running about 1/2 pound in this mud. 1/2 pound? And I hooked them in that little 1/2 pound mouth. Holla at your boy there, brown eyes. 1/2 pound bass catching mug and I hook 'em in the mouth. Holla at your boy. Hook 'em in the mouth. We was trolling this bait and we got a hook up. He's out there too. Oh, he didn't get off. Good. Oh, he's trying to jump off, y'all. He's like a little green tarpon. He's trying to jump off this mug. Boy, you ain't jumping nowhere, boy. He's fighting, y'all. He's fighting, y'all. He's fighting on the round boat. I'm standing up. Yeah. Where you going? Where you going? Where you going? You going right up in this boat, boy. That's where you going. Cause I hooked you in the mouth, boy. You seen? You seen? He tore that bait up too, boy. He was flicking like a mug. Y'all seen? He's about 2 pounds, I think. Oh, he's 2 pounds of straight fighting. Let's see what we got here. Realistic scale. The realistic scale is on. And we're gonna hook him on up. There we go. He's smaller than the other one. The other one 1.75. He's 1.5. So ain't no money bass here, but we got one. Holla at your boy. Hook him in that little bitty ass 1.5 pound mouth. Damn, they doing a number on this damn little bait. This bad boy caught all kind of fish today.